Lamborghini LB48H hypercar due 1 year from now, you may even say it gleams. It's said to have supercapacitors and gleam in obscurity bodywork. We know there's a half-breed Lamborghini Aventador successor coming at some point somewhere in the range of 2020 and 2022. Due to erased Instagram posts and gaps in the gossip stanza, we expect a hypercar code-named LB48H to review the following zapped V12 Lamborghini. Autocar reports the following model and the Italian carmaker's arrangement of low-volume specials will cost about $2.6 million, making it simply one more stroll in the hypercar park concerning cost. The odd part is the place road and track, referencing a source comfortable with Lamborghini's designs, says the LB48H will shine in obscurity. The source didn't detail, so not even RT comprehends what that implies. The Lamborghini Terzo Millennio idea from 2017 uncovered a sprinkling of Tron-like light figure in its dispatch video. The haggles cove shine, lit up Italian banner design stamp the front bumpers. LED funneling keeps running down the centerline. However, lights don't go under the customary meaning of sparkle and obscurity. If the LB40